Are you tired of endless diets that promise results but leave you feeling unsatisfied and deprived? What if I told you there's a secret to achieving optimal health and effortless weight loss? Join me today as we delve into the world of plant-based diets, uncovering the key to transforming your body, revitalizing your energy, and unlocking the true potential of your well-being. Welcome to Do Remedy, Do Cure, where you can subscribe for tips to help you with your overall health and well-being. And just a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It's always best to seek the advice of a medical professional before embarking on any type of health and weight loss journey. Get ready to unlock the secret to health and weight loss with these 18 tips. It's time to embrace the power of plants. Whether you're considering converting to a plant-based diet or merely curious about its benefits, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. Plant-based eating is a diet that focuses on complete, unrefined plant foods while restricting or eliminating animal products. Vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds are all examples. Although plant-based and vegan are terms that are closely related and often used interchangeably, there is a slight difference. Vegans avoid all foods and products, including clothing originating with animals. Plant-based centers around diet only. Vegan restaurants and fast foods are on the rise. Plant-based options are more readily available at non-vegan specific restaurants. So why has this style of eating become so popular? Let's take a look at some of the reasons. The first and most apparent reason for a plant-based diet is its positive impact on health. Many scientific studies have shown that a plant-based diet can minimize the risk of high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and chronic illnesses such as type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and specific types of cancer. This is mainly due to the high concentration of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber found in plant foods. One of the main benefits of a plant-based diet is its support of heart health. Plant-based foods are naturally low in cholesterol and saturated fats, which are widely known to contribute to heart disease. One may dramatically lower the chance of developing cardiovascular issues and maintain a healthy heart by putting an emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. The possibility of weight loss is yet another persuasive argument in favor of switching to a plant-based diet. Meals made from plants typically have fewer calories than meals made from animal sources. There's a potential for enhanced mood and mental health with a plant-based diet. According to some research, eating a plant-based diet may reduce the chance of developing depression and improve mood and mental health in general. Additionally, they contain a lot of fiber, which makes you feel fuller for longer and lowers your risk of overeating. You can achieve long-lasting weight loss and maintain a healthy body weight by placing a strong emphasis on plant-based diets. 1. Portion control. Despite the fact that plant-based foods typically contain fewer calories, it's still crucial to exercise portion control. Be mindful of your portion sizes and pay attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Even when eating wholesome plant-based foods, overeating might impede weight loss. 2. Increase vegetable intake. Vegetables are a great option for weight loss because they're extremely low in calorie and high in fiber. At every meal, try to fill half of your plate with a variety of vibrant vegetables. They keep you satiated and full while supplying vital nutrients. 3. Select whole, unprocessed foods. When feasible, choose whole, unprocessed plant foods. Processed foods like refined grains or sugary snacks are less nourishing and less filling than whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. Additionally, they are fewer in calories, which can aid in weight loss. It's not uncommon for people who eat processed foods to gain weight, even if they're not eating animal-based foods. 4. Mindful eating. Engage in mindful eating by paying close attention to your food intake and eating patterns while being totally present. Take your time, chew your food completely, and enjoy every bite. This can aid in identifying your body's hunger and fullness cues and assist you in avoiding overeating. 5. Limit processed plant-based foods. Although vegan desserts, faux meats, and veggie burgers can be tasty, they should be consumed in moderation. These processed foods could have extra oils, carbohydrates, and preservatives, which can make it harder to lose weight. Your diet can be built entirely around plant foods. 6. Incorporate plant-based proteins. Protein is necessary for weight loss as it aids in feeling fuller for longer periods of time, and it conserves muscle mass. Add plant-based protein sources such as quinoa, edamame, tofu, tempeh, seitan, legumes like chickpeas, beans, and lentils to your meals. 7. Include healthy fats. While it's important to be aware of your fat intake for weight loss, including a small amount of healthy fats is beneficial. Avocados, olives, seeds, and nuts provide essential fatty acids and can improve the flavor and satisfaction of your meals. 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day is key for overall health and weight management. It's easy to confuse thirst with hunger, which leads to needless snacking. By staying hydrated, you assist your weight loss efforts and total well-being. 9. Increase physical activity. While diet plays a major role in weight loss, incorporating regular physical activity can improve your results. Explore activities that you find enjoyable, such as walking, jogging, cycling, or yoga, with a target of at least 150 minutes of moderate strength exercise per week. 10. Fill your plate with whole foods. Display a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds on the table. When following a plant-based diet, it's important to focus on whole foods. These are nutrient-dense options that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 11. Explore the produce aisle. Don't be afraid to try new fruits and vegetables. Explore the produce aisle and experiment with different flavors and textures. This will keep your meals exciting and help you discover new favorites. 12. Master plant-based cooking techniques. Learn how to cook plant-based meals that are not only healthy, but also delicious. Experiment with sauteing, roasting, steaming, and grilling vegetables to bring out the natural flavors of your ingredients. 13. Explore plant-based dining options. Eating out doesn't have to be a challenge. Many restaurants now offer plant-based options. Explore local eateries, try different cuisines, and enjoy the experience of dining out while staying true to your plant-based goals. 14. Read food labels carefully. Become an expert at reading food labels. Look for plant-based ingredients, avoid processed foods with additives and preservatives, and opt for organic or non-GMO options whenever possible. 15. Meal prep and plan ahead. Meal prepping and planning ahead can make your plant-based journey much easier. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals, create a shopping list, and prep ingredients in advance. This will help save you time and help you stay on track. 16. Grow your own food. If you have space, consider growing your own food. Planting a small garden can help provide you with fresh, organic produce right at your doorstep. It's a rewarding experience and a great way to connect with nature. 17. Involve your family and friends. Getting your loved ones involved can make transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle more enjoyable. Cook together, try new recipes as a group, and share the benefits of this healthy way of eating with your family and friends. 18. Check your progress. Keep track of your physical activity, food plan, and weight loss progress. This can help you spot patterns to adjust if needed and stay motivated as you see positive changes over time. Remember, everyone's weight loss experience is unique, so pay attention to your body, exercise patience, and work on long-term sustainable behaviors rather than quick fixes. Here's a recap of some of the ways, reasons, and benefits of transitioning to a plant-based diet for health and weight loss. Many people question if a plant-based diet can offer all the elements required for good health. And yes is the answer. A plant-based diet can fully satisfy your nutritional demands with careful preparation, along with ensuring enough intake of vitamin B12, iron, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids through fortified meals or supplements. It's crucial to include a range of plant-based protein sources such as legumes, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. Eating a plant-based diet benefits the environment in addition to one's own health. Animal agriculture has a major contribution to water pollution, deforestation, and greenhouse gas emissions. We can considerably lower our carbon footprint and contribute to the preservation of our world by consuming less animal products and more plant-based alternatives. Start by making a plan for your meals. This will guarantee that you have a wide range of plant-based foods at your disposal and prevent you from making harmful decisions when you're hungry or unprepared. The next step is to experiment with new dishes, flavors, and cuisines. Online and in cookbooks, there are innumerable plant-based dishes to choose from. You'll be pleasantly surprised by how tasty and filling plant-based meals can truly be. Ensure that you consume whole grains as part of your diet. They provide lots of fiber, nutrients, and vitamins. Your meals can become more varied and nutritious by using whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta. Carry a supply of wholesome snacks with you wherever you go. Fruits, nuts, and seeds make great pocket snacks that can give you energy all day. Consult with friends, family, or online networks for assistance. Being with people who share your values can inspire you and keep you committed to your plant-based lifestyle. It's practically impossible to overestimate the benefits of a plant-based diet for health and weight loss. You may lower your risk of chronic diseases, lose weight sustainably, and help the environment by increasing the quantity of plant-based foods in your diet. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing to Do Remedy Do Cure for more content on holistic health and wellness. Remember, every small step towards a plant-based lifestyle makes a difference. We'll see you in the next video.